Good morning and welcome to the Leap Podcast, your concise, level-headed crypto market update from Leap Digital Investments. It's Monday, the 1st of December 2025, and I'm Patrick Penn. The past week flipped the narrative hard. After the second worst November on record for Bitcoin and the most punishing monthly ETF outflows across the board, price action seems to have stabilized, and the smart money signals are turning unambiguously constructive. Fear and greed has climbed from 10 to 20, funding rates have reset to neutral, and the Coinbase Premium index just flipped positive for the first time in over a month. Historically, a precursor to sustained rallies. Make sure to listen to the summary at the end, but for now, let's leap in. Bitcoin. Current price $91,425 US plus 0.78%. Market cap 1.81 trillion. Despite a brutal negative 17.41% for November, the second deepest monthly drawdown ever, Bitcoin is showing clear signs of institutional reaccumulation. The Coinbase Premium Index turning positive confirms US desks are once again buying aggressively after a month of sitting on the sidelines. Key catalysts this week. Texas officially becomes the first US state to deploy capital into a Bitcoin strategic reserve with a $10 million purchase. BlackRock revealed its IBIT spot Bitcoin ETF is now the firm's single largest revenue generating product across all asset classes. Spot Bitcoin ETFs posted their first weekly net inflow since October at plus 70.2 million, ending 4 consecutive weeks of outflows that totaled negative 4.35 billion. Starting today, the Fed officially ends quantitative tightening, and Jerome Powell confirmed that every regulated US bank may now offer crypto services. The only lingering negative pressure stems from November's 3.55 billion in ETF outflows. Still the second worst month on record. But the reversal in inflows and premium dynamics signals the worst of the caution could be behind us. Key level to watch. A weekly close above 94 to 95,000 would confirm the macro uptrend resumption and open the path to 100,000 plus. Ethereum. Current price $3,026, up 0.93%. ETH quietly delivered its best weekly ETF performance since October, with 368 million of net inflows, the first 5-day positive streak in more than 2 months. BitMine now holds 3.63 million in ETH, which is 3% of total supply. They've got an additional 800 million dry powder earmarked for further accumulation. But keep in mind, November still closed with 1.42 billion in ETF outflows. Price remains well off cycle highs, but technical tailwinds and renewed institutional rotation are overriding the noise. Nonetheless, Tom Lee, who chairs BitMine and clearly puts his money where his mouth is, still forecasts ETH rebounding to $9,000 within 2 months. In the meantime, level to watch, sustained trading above 3,050 targets 3,500 rapidly. Solana, current price $137.43, up 0.29%. Solana continues to dominate real-world use cases, leading all chains in DEX volume, app revenue, and capturing 95% of tokenized stock trading volume. US spot SOL ETFs recorded 108.34 million of weekly inflows with zero outflow days since launch. A remarkable, perfect streak. The only blemish, CoinShares withdrew its proposed Solana staking ETF filing, citing margin compression in an increasingly competitive landscape. Institutional conviction, however, remains solid. Key levels: 130 support held firm. A decisive break above 150 targets 180 on the next leg up for Solana. In summary, a decisive shift is underway. Institutional accumulation is accelerating exactly when retail remains shell-shocked from November's carnage. Texas has acted. The Fed's liquidity taps reopened today. Russia has greenlit domestic bank BTC activity, and the Coinbase Premium flip confirms US capital is rotating back in. The broader market, made up of ETF flows, premium dynamics, and nation-state signaling, is pointing in a positive direction. We are moving from extreme fear to cautious, data-driven optimism. Remain calm and stay focused. That concludes your market update for the 1st of December 2025. Please see the episode description on Spotify and YouTube for more information. Thank you for listening to the Leap Podcast.